Airplane mode.
I'm wearing blue. Bianca's wearing yellow.
Maybe fairy lights, those blue lights into the strobe lights, maybe even fairy lights, now blue flashing.
Matcha. Matcha with the goats in Greece.
For the girl, for the six side, for the six side, for the six side. Hey, look. Please write my mother and tell her.
Give me the green light, 'cause I'm ready to go. Let's have a good time. What you waiting for? You only got one life, and we gon' live it up. So give me the green light, 'cause I'm ready to go.
We just got ready. We're gonna go have breakfast, and then we have a Pilates class.
Give me the green light, 'cause I'm ready to go. Let's have a good time. What you waiting for? You only got one life, and we gon' live it up. So give me the green light, 'cause I'm ready to go.
never end. Speedboat, baby, and Nicky D. Waves in my ears.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would I?
Crazy. We just left yoga. It was so good. And now we're gonna have breakfast.
Why would I keep? I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep? Yeah, well, yeah, and I roll licks. I hit on my ones when I didn't have no friends to ride. Sticks on my dolls and I can't even lie to you. Got too much pride for you. Gotta stay safe in these streets. Streets don't play favorites though. I'm not afraid of it though. God is okay with me, so life for that shit that you do.
You're not your bartender.
Going to the beach. We're sitting in our hotel.
On a day like this, making it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it. On a day like this, I feel like summer. She feel like summer. She feel like summer. I feel like summer. Seven billion souls that move around the sun. Going fast, fast, and not a chance to slow down. Slow down. Men who made machines that while I lay beside, parents trying.
Bianca, what are you drinking?
I ordered an Irish coffee thinking that it was going to be my order from what I get in California. Which obviously we know
It's
now.
actually whiskey though.
It's actually...
We're back from the beach and I'm burnt. Burnt like a tomato. Put this up right here.
my mind. I can't stay close like na 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 na. I can't explain. I got a feeling that I just.
Good morning. So we are going on an excursion today. It's currently 6:30. I'm doing some skincare, getting ready, and then we have a pickup at 8 a.m. So we're gonna have breakfast and then go to the beach. I'm really nervous about the boat day, but we're going to a little island and I don't know what it's called, but I will show you when I get there. Different view of the sun rising. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's so peaceful. So we're currently at a beach and look at that view. So we laid out at a beach right now, like an hour, but there's no beds. There's a few different parts to the beach.